Did you know that Hanover Parish, nestled on the northwestern tip of Jamaica, was named not after a Jamaican monarch, but after King George I of the German House of Hanover? An island paradise with a German twist, if you will. Our story begins in the year 1723. The world was a different place back then, but one thing that hasn't changed is the beauty of Hanover Parish. Picturing it, you'd see vast fields of sugarcane swaying in the tropical breeze, and the bustling port of Lucia, its capital, teeming with ships loaded with the sweet commodity. But times change, and so did Hanover Parish. The year 1834 marked the abolition of slavery. With this monumental shift, the region had to adapt and diversify. No longer were the fields dominated by sugarcane. Now they burst with an array of crops from yams to ginger, breathing new life into the region. The parish didn't stop there. It redefined itself yet again in the modern era, transforming from an agricultural powerhouse to a tourist haven. Resorts like Round Hill and Trial began to dot the landscape, welcoming guests from around the world to experience the unique charm that is Hanover Parish. Peppered throughout the parish, you'll find landmarks that tell tales of its rich history. From the Lush Parish Church, a testament to its religious heritage, to Fort Charlotte, a symbol of its strategic importance. But what makes Hanover Parish truly special is not just its scenery or its history, it's the people. With 2 members of parliament representing its 2 constituencies, Hanover Eastern and Hanover Western, the people of Hanover Parish have a voice, and they use it. In conclusion, Hanover Parish is a place of scenic beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture. It's more than just another spot on the map, it's a testament to resilience, adaptability, and the power of community. From its establishment in 1723, and through its transformation from a prosperous sugar port to a diversified agricultural hub and tourist destination, Hanover Parish has shown the world what it means to adapt and thrive. The landmarks like Lucia Parish Church and Fort Charlotte echo its past, while the bustling resorts and fields of diverse crops speak to its vibrant present. So next time you find yourself wandering through the fields of yams, sugarcane, and ginger, or lounging in one of its luxurious resorts, remember the story of Hanover Parish. A story of transformation, resilience, and above all, a testament to the enduring spirit of its people. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel.